In Lesson 11, we explored how artificial intelligence is reshaping photography, making cameras smarter and images more stunning than ever. But what lies ahead as we step into the future? Photography is set to evolve in ways that may completely redefine how we see, capture, and share our world. One major frontier is immersive imaging. Technologies like 3D photography, virtual reality VR, and augmented reality are soon, instead of simply looking at a flat image. Viewers could step inside a scene, exploring it from every angle as if they were there. Imagine scrolling through vacation photos and being able to walk along the beach or peek into a street market, all from your living room. Advances in light field cameras may allow focus and depth of field to be adjusted after the photo is taken, giving photographers unmatched flexibility in storytelling. Holographic displays could bring portraits to life, turning a still image into something that feels almost real. On the hardware side, expect smaller yet more powerful sensors, lenses that adapt their shape like the human eye, and devices that merge seamlessly into eyewear or clothing. The concept of a camera might vanish entirely, replaced by always-on capture systems that record our lives automatically, raising exciting creative possibilities, but also profound questions about privacy. AI will continue to grow as both an assistant and a co-creator, not only enhancing photos, but generating entirely new scenes from a few words of description. Ethical conversations about truth, authenticity, and manipulation in photography will become more important than ever, and through it all, one thing will remain constant: photography's power to connect us, to freeze moments, share perspectives, and tell stories that move hearts, whether through a grainy film print, a crystal-clear 8K image, or a fully immersive hologram. The essence of photography will always be about capturing the human experience. The future of photography isn't just about technology. It is about how we use it to see and share the beauty, complexity, and truth of our world. Follow and stay tuned for more creative lessons.